How to use Midjourney on Discord. So on Midjourney's website, they have this Discord quick start guide, and basically you go to discord.gg/Midjourney, press join, and you will join their Discord server. And then you want to go to any general or newbie channel. And for example, we would have to go into one of these newbie channels, newbies 116, 146, or 176. These are basically just spam channels for people to use the bot. You type in /imagine and then you describe what you want to draw, just like any other AI video generator. Really cool that you can just use it straight with Discord. You do have to accept some terms of service, go through a tutorial, but as we can see, we can easily create images by using the /imagine command in any of these newcomer or general channels. And it does cost some of your credits, so you do have to upgrade to a paid plan if you do plan to use this feature for many images. And it does take a few minutes for the image generation process as well. And you can also select images or create variations based on your initial image grid. So lots of features. You can even enhance or modify the generated images, and of course saving your images. Just very simple. You click it and then right click and then save image.